Today we're diving headfirst into the swirling sea of leaks, rumors, and insider whispers around the Apple Watch Ultra 3, the next-gen rugged smartwatch that could redefine wearable technology in 2025. From potential material breakthroughs to revolutionary health tracking features, longer battery life, and even a refined software experience. This might be the most significant update in Apple's wearable lineup since the original Ultra launch. Whether you're a hardcore Apple fan or just curious about the future of smartwatches, this is the video you don't want to miss. So, grab a seat, get comfy, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell, because the Apple Watch Ultra 3 could be a game changer. Let's get into it. Redesigned ruggedness. Is Apple going lighter and stronger? Let's start with what's likely to grab the most attention: the design and materials. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 was already a tank sporting a bold titanium shell that balanced durability with a relatively light frame. But rumor has it that Apple's not stopping there. According to multiple sources and supply chain murmurs, Apple is exploring an entirely new chassis material. We're talking liquid metal alloys, next-gen ceramics, or even graphene-infused composites. Materials that offer a stronger yet lighter alternative to titanium. If true, this would not only enhance the durability, but also improve comfort, particularly for athletes, hikers, and adventurers who wear their smartwatch for hours on end. In addition to the materials, expect a more refined aesthetic. Insiders suggest a sleeker contouring, possibly with a thinner profile, without compromising the signature ruggedness that defines the Ultra series. Think of a watch that feels like a natural extension of your wrist, no matter the environment, whether you're scaling mountains or navigating city streets. Next-level health and wellness features. If there's one area where the Apple Watch Ultra 3 might absolutely crush the competition, it's health tracking. The biggest rumor making the rounds is the possible debut of non-invasive blood glucose monitoring. That's right, no needles, no sensors stuck to your skin, just real-time glucose levels directly on your wrist. This could revolutionize diabetes care, turning the Ultra 3 into an essential health tool for millions. Beyond that, expect further ECG accuracy improvements, blood pressure estimation, and early heart irregularity detection. There's even talk of enhanced AI-driven health alerts, which could analyze your vitals and deliver real-time insights if something seems off, like atrial fibrillation or oxygen level drops. And don't sleep on sleep tracking, literally. While the current Apple Watch does a decent job, it's still trailing behind some dedicated fitness wearables. The Ultra 3 is rumored to feature multi-level sleep analysis, incorporating heart rate variability, SpO2, REM patterns, potential sleep apnea detection, and even snoring analysis via your iPhone's microphone. Imagine waking up to a full health dashboard, how well you slept, your resting heart rate, stress levels, and a predictive recovery score. It's Apple aiming to turn your wristwatch into a 24/7 health coach. Massive battery life improvements on the horizon. Battery life has always been the Achilles heel of smartwatches. Even the Apple Watch Ultra 2, while better than the standard models, require daily or near-daily charging with heavy use. But with the Ultra 3, that might finally change. Leaked documents and insider reports hint at a significantly larger battery, paired with a new ultra-efficient S11 chip. This new chip, built on an advanced 3nm architecture, is expected to consume far less power while delivering better performance across the board. Apple might also optimize watchOS 12 to be more energy efficient, potentially unlocking 48 to 72 hours of use on a single charge. That means tracking long hiking trails, multiple workouts, sleep, and even GPS routes without scrambling for a charger. Picture this: a long weekend camping trip, away from any power outlet, and your Apple Watch Ultra 3 keeps you connected, safe, and informed the entire time. That's not just a smartwatch, that's freedom. Blazing fast performance with the S11 Ultra chip under the hood, we're expecting a big leap in processing power. Apple's rumored S11 Ultra chip is said to power the upcoming Ultra 3, and it might deliver a multi-core performance boost, faster app launches, and quicker responsiveness in general. But it's not just about speed. This chip is also expected to support new sensor technologies, more sophisticated machine learning, and real-time data analysis, especially when it comes to workouts, heart rate irregularities, or stress management. Faster, smarter, and more efficient, that's the trifecta we're hoping to see. watchOS 12, AI-driven software. Smart's no new Apple Watch is complete without fresh software. Alongside the Ultra 3, Apple is expected to introduce watchOS 12, and it may be the biggest OS upgrade yet. Leaked screenshots and beta code hint at a possible UI refresh, drawing inspiration from visionOS, with floating elements, bold fonts, and reworked navigation. Think of it as a blend of functional minimalism and futuristic design. But beyond aesthetics, the focus is on smarter health tracking, enhanced workout metrics, and AI-generated coaching tips. For example, new workout types like trail running with terrain detection recovery suggestions based on your activity, HRV, and sleep integration with Apple Intelligence for contextual Siri responses and predictive suggestions. Also, expect better integration with Apple Pay, Maps, CarKey, and even HomeKit devices. Your Apple Watch will truly become the central hub of your digital lifestyle. Price tag and variance. What should you expect? Let's be honest. The Apple Watch Ultra is not for budget-conscious users, and that's unlikely to change with version 3. According to early retail leaks, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is expected to be priced between $799 and $999, depending on configurations and potential new strap bundles or titanium finishes. While that's a hefty price tag, you're getting arguably the most feature-rich, resilient, and performance-oriented smartwatch Apple has ever created. For outdoor athletes, travelers, or anyone who wants a luxury-level wrist companion with elite health capabilities, that price might just be worth it. Release date. Based on Apple's launch patterns, we're betting big on a September 2025 reveal, alongside the iPhone 16 series and possibly other Apple Watch variants like the Series 10. If previous years are anything to go by, pre-orders could go live within a few days of the announcement, with full availability by late September or early October. So, if you're planning to upgrade or join the Ultra lineup for the first time, now's the time to start saving and preparing. This watch is shaping up to be one of Apple's most ambitious products in years. Final thoughts. If even half of these rumors are true, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is shaping up to be a landmark device in wearable tech blending performance, health tracking, and rugged design like never before. Thanks for sticking around. If you enjoyed this in-depth breakdown, give this video a thumbs up, drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Technology in the Future for more tech updates, hands-on reviews, and deep dives into the future of gadgets.